The new 14-inch M2 Pro MacBook Pro, or the MacBook Pro M2 Pro. Honestly, either way, it sounds weird. It will be replacing my 2018 13-inch MacBook Pro that had 8 gigs of RAM. 8 gigs of RAM, an Intel CPU, and it had the touch bar. Honestly, y'all, I'm not gonna lie, I'm really gonna miss the touch bar. This thing is just so nifty. And I could access emojis quickly. What I'm not gonna miss is having to charge exclusively with USB-C. This is going to be my main productivity machine. Now wait, I do have a gaming PC, but Macs are just better for productivity. I don't make the rules. I'm just an Apple sheep. All hail Tim Cook. Sprinkle, sprinkle. Sprinkle, sprinkle. Without further ado, the unboxing.